Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm doing a graduation setup. I'm doing balloon columns and I'm going to do a drape backdrop. I am going to let you see how I did those balloon columns, and then I'll come on after I complete the draping and the balloon columns and let you see how everything turned out. Here I am making duplets to make up the balloon column. I'm using two colors, so I use a total of about 18 to 20 duplets, about 9 to 10 of the white, 9 to 10 of the yellow. Now I'm putting them into quads, and that's how I'm gonna get ready to form the columns. Here I'm double stuffing the balloon that I'm gonna use for my water weight, and then I'm just showing you that I tied the inside balloon. I'm using fishing line, 25 pounds, to put the column together, and that's what I'm doing now. Notice how I keep stacking them. I'm making sure it has the spiral look, and I just keep intertwining the fishing line. Just keep stacking each cluster on top and just wrapping the fishing line around it to secure it and build it up. Here I'm showing you how I tie the fishing line. At this point I'm done with this column, so I'm looking for the scissors. I'm gonna clip it, keep it kind of long, and then I'm gonna use that piece to tie around the balloons. So this is how the setup turned out. I did a double layer backdrop, close to 12 feet wide, 10 feet tall. This was like one of my largest draping setups I ever did. If you look at the balloon columns, you will notice that they just have simple toppers. We were supposed to use full toppers, but the client got some toppers that were too big. Thank you so much for viewing this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you next time. Bye.